For this video, I am going to review Holafly. So Holafly is a prominent eSIM provider that aims to simplify connectivity for travelers, especially for travelers, known for its easy setup and even unlimited data options. So Holafly caters to those looking for hassle-free and reliable mobile internet access while abroad, and I'm going to discuss to you its key features, strength, and its weaknesses. So for the key features, it has instant activation. So Holafly eSIMs are activated as soon as you reach your destination, providing immediate connectivity. And again, it also offers unlimited data plans. So in many countries, so ensuring users never run out of data. And it also has country-specific plans. So once you scroll down from the page, you can see these different plans right here, specific to each country. So the plans are tailored for, again, for specific countries, providing targeted solutions for travelers. And now for the strength of this tool. So the app, it has an available app for you to download. You can download it for Play Store or App Store. So Holafly eSIMs are incredibly easy to set up and activate. So the straightforward process eliminates the need for extensive registration or configuration, making it ideal for even non-tech savvy users. So again, one of its strength also is the unlimited data. So one of Holafly's standout feature is the availability of unlimited data plans in many countries. So this is particularly beneficial for heavy data users who need constant internet access for streaming, navigation, and other online activities. So I am going to show you how you can do that. So I'm going to click onto this one, and then you can get unlimited internet by first clicking into this number of days right here. So you can just come, for example, you need to have internet for 7 days, click that, and then number of eSIMs. But if you only need one, just leave it as that. So just click this, get unlimited internet, and after paying it through your payment method, then you should have, or you should be able to have that package. So now let us go to for the another strength. So another strength is that it has instant connectivity. So with Holafly, users can enjoy immediate connectivity upon arrival at their destination. So this instant navigation is convenient and ensures that travelers are connected as soon as they land, and also the reliable service. So Holafly provides reliable internet service in the countries it covers. Users can expect stable and fast connections, making it a dependable choice for travelers. And now for its weakness, I'm going to discuss now the weaknesses. So first one is the limited coverage. So the limited coverage is not as extensive, or the coverage is not as extensive as some other eSIM providers. While it offers services or service in many popular destinations, it may not cover less traveled or remote areas as effectively. And also, one of the disadvantage or weakness of it is higher pricing. So compared to some competitors, Holafly's plans can be more expensive. So the premium pricing is particularly noticeable in countries where unlimited data is offered, which may not be cost effective for all travelers. And next one is the no flexibility in data plans. So Holafly primarily focus on unlimited data plans, which might not be suitable for travelers who need only a small amount of data, and the lack of flexible data options can make it less appealing to budget conscious users or those with minimal data needs. And then lastly, for the customer support. So while Holafly's customer support is generally responsive, so you can access their customer support from their homepage by clicking this section right here, which is located on the bottom right corner of your screen. So there have been occasional reports of delayed responses in difficulty in resolving issues. So improved support channels and quicker resolution times would enhance the overall user experience for it. So this tool or Holafly is ideal for travelers who require unlimited data for activities such as streaming, video calls, and heavy browsing will benefit most from Holafly's offerings. And then that's it for today's video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.